Hello, and welcome to our video about how to use Zendesk to submit and track tickets for ProcessMaker support. In this video, we will show you how to obtain a Zendesk password to log in, as well as how to submit and track ProcessMaker support tickets. To begin, navigate to support.processmaker.com in your browser window. Then enter the email address of your Zendesk account, which is the same email address you used for your Mantis account if you have previously used ProcessMaker support services. If you do not have an existing Mantis account, please contact ProcessMaker support to create a Zendesk account with your email. After entering your email, enter your password. If you do not have a password, click Forgot My Password at the bottom of the window. In the next window, enter your email address and click Submit. ProcessMaker support will send you an email containing a link to your email address that allows you to set a password for your Zendesk account. Click the link in the email to set your new password. On the next screen, enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 6 characters long. It must be different from your email address. It must include letters in mixed case and numbers, and it must include a character that is not a letter or a number. Once you've finished setting your new password, click Change Password. Clicking Change Password takes you to the ProcessMaker Customer Support main screen. Here you can either submit a request or track the existing requests that you have already submitted. Let's go ahead and submit a request by clicking the Submit Request link at the top of the screen. On the Submit a Request page, you can enter the details about the request you are making. In the CC field, you can enter the email addresses of people in the same Zendesk project to allow them to track the ticket. In the Subject field, enter a brief description of the request. In the Type field, select the type of request that you are making. In the Priority field, select the priority of the request. In the Description box, write a description of the request. Then select the version of ProcessMaker that you are using. In the Instance field, select the type of instance affected by the reported issue. Next, enter the workspace ID of the ProcessMaker instance you are using. In the Process field, enter the process that is being affected by the reported issue. In the Server URL field, enter the URL of the server that your ProcessMaker instance is hosted on. Next, in the Platform field, select the platform where you're using ProcessMaker. In the OS version, enter the version of the operating system you are using. Then finally, in the Attachments field, you can attach any relevant documents, including screenshots that show the issue that you are reporting. After entering all of the details about your request, you can hit the Submit button to submit the request. If you want to track the existing tickets that you have already reported, click on your username in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Then select My Activities from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can view all existing requests that you have made to ProcessMaker support. In the list of requests, you can see the ID of each request you have made, as well as the subject of the request, when the request was created, the last time an activity was performed on the request, and the status of the request. At the top of the list of requests, there is a search box you can use to search for a particular request. If your ticket has been migrated from Mantis, be sure to enter zeros before the ID number to make sure the ID 7 digits for the search to work properly. For Zendesk requests, you can simply enter the ID number without extra digits to search for the request. You can also enter a word from the subject line to search for requests. Be sure to enter the entire word to properly perform the search. If you want to see more details about a particular ticket, you can click on the ticket link to view its details. This concludes the video about how to use Zendesk to submit and track ProcessMaker support tickets. Thank you for watching.